Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will discuss about the scientific paper original research by Siti Nursiah NIM AIDI Alt 9159 from University Jambi University 2014. Website address like Sakas. Presented by Freddy Ikhwan with name 19 all 5 all 2 all 5x. Course materials English for knowledge and information too. Sporting lecture by Miss Heri Nuraini SPD MPD. The topic title we discuss is analysis of learning difficulties for class 3 student Sekolah Dasar Negeri 171 garis miring 1 Bajubang Laut. Research purpose to find out the types of reading difficulties and the factor that affect the reading difficulties of third grade students Sekolah Dasar Negeri 171 garis miring 1 Bajubang Laut. Jadi tujuan penelitian ini adalah kita untuk mengetahui jenis-jenis kesulitan membaca dan faktor-faktor yang mempengaruhi kesulitan membaca siswa kelas 3 Sekolah Dasar Negeri 171 Bajubang Laut. Kemudian untuk problemnya, that there are still 5 students who have difficulty learning to read. Jadi masih didapati ada 5 siswa yang kesulitan dalam hal membaca. Kemudian literatur. Abdurrahman mention learning difficulties as follow. Learning difficulties are impairment in one or more of the basics psychological process that includes understanding and using spoken or writing language. The disorder may manifest itself as difficulty listening, thinking, speaking, writing, spelling, or counting. This limitation include conditions such as perceptual disturbance, brain injury, dyslexia, and developmental aphasia. This limitation does not include children who have learning problem, whose main cause are visual, hearing, or motor impairment, mental retardation, emotional disorders of environment, cultural or economic love property. Jadi literaturnya Abdurrahman menyebutkan bahwa kesulitan belajar adalah sebagai berikut. Kesulitan belajar adalah gangguan dalam satu atau lebih proses psikologis dasar yang mencakup pemahaman dan penggunaan bahasa lisan atau tulisan. Gangguan tersebut dapat bermanifestasi sebagai kesulitan mendengarkan, berpikir, berbicara, menulis, mengeja, atau menghitung. Keterbatasan ini termasuk kondisi seperti gangguan persepsi, cedera otak, disleksia, dan aphasia perkembangan. Batasan ini tidak termasuk anak yang memiliki masalah belajar yang penyebab utamanya adalah gangguan penglihatan, pendengaran, atau motorik. Keterbelakangan mental, gangguan emosional, atau kemiskinan lingkungan budaya atau ekonomi. Kemudian research method. The research method used is a qualitative research. Gunawan say that research with a qualitative approach emphasizes the analysis of the process of inductive thinking, process related to the dynamic of the relationship between observed phenomena and always use the scientific logic. Jadi Gunawan mengatakan bahwa penelitian dengan pendekatan kualitatif menekankan pada analisis proses berpikir induktif yang berkaitan dengan dinamika hubungan antara fenomena yang diamati dan selalu menggunakan logika ilmiah. Research result that there are still some children who have difficulty learning to read. This is influenced by two factors, namely the first internal factor because they are lazy in learning to read, and second there are three external factors, namely the first family environment like lack of parental attention. The condition of the family environment is too crowded. Then second, school environment, lack of teacher attention to student learning difficulties, lack of learning facilities and infrastructure. Third, a community environment, friend to play with, the place left is too close to send meaning. Jadi hasil penelitian didapatkan bahwa masih ada beberapa anak yang mengalami kesulitan belajar membaca. Hal ini dipengaruhi oleh dua faktor, yaitu faktor eksternal karena malas belajar, kemudian ada tiga faktor eksternal, yaitu lingkungan keluarga, di mana kurangnya perhatian orang tua dan kondisi lingkungan keluarga yang terlalu ramai atau ribut. Kemudian lingkungan sekolah, kurangnya perhatian guru terhadap kesulitan belajar siswa. Kemudian sarana dan prasarana yang kurang. Kemudian ketiga, lingkungan komunitas. Jadi teman bermain. Kemudian tempat tinggal yang terlalu dekat dengan penambangan pasir sehingga cukup ramai dan ribut, tidak merangsang untuk siswa untuk belajar. Conclusion. Based on the research on analysis of learning difficulties of Class 3 student Sekolah Dasar Negeri 171 Bajubang Laut, it can be concluded that there are still grade 3 student of Sekolah Dasar Negeri 171 Bajubang Laut who have difficulty learning to read according to behavior, which indicates that some children have a difficulty learning to read. This is caused by two influencing factors, namely internal factor and external factor. Internal factor are low interest in learning to read, feeling lazy, and slow in understanding the material, while external factor are the lack of attention and motivation from parents. Reference like such as HTTP dan seterusnya. The end. Thank you very much. Okay, I will enough with my discuss about the topic. Thank you very much. Billahi taufik wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.